Hi, fourth grade students and parents. This is the fourth grade Gazette for the week of January 21st. So to start off, our learning objectives. In reading, students will continue to learn and differentiate between fact and opinion, and they'll be reading a story called Just Like Me by Harriet Romer. In writing, students who are voted on by their classmates will be presenting their persuasive essays to a panel from administration. We'll also complete the post-on-demand writing prompt for the unit. In math, students will continue practicing different division methods with dividends up to 4 digits. In science, students will be learning about fossils, rocks, and weathering over the next few weeks. The PowerPoint link will be sent on Class Dojo soon. Please have your child bring the following for our fossil making lab by Monday the 22nd. The students will need 1 bag with 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of salt mixed together. So just take 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of salt, and mix it in 1 bag together. And then SST resource alerts. I just found this incredible site called commonlit.org. It's a site that students can use at home. They can create a free account, and then students will have access to over thousands of short stories, poems, and historical documents. If your students are looking for something else to read, that's not necessarily a chapter book, but is very difficult and challenging, but in a shorter function, this site is amazing. It has translation features, read aloud options. I highly recommend it, and it's a great site. On the left side here, we have a little bit of a reminder about long division. There are 4 basic steps in long division: dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down. This sounds so simple, but can give students their biggest mathematical challenge to date. The process of combining these 4 skills to create the long division algorithm has long been a tipping point for mathematical success. These combined skills imitate what the next levels of math will look like. The important thing to remember is that long division is nothing more than the ability to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Success is around the corner. If your student is having difficulty with long division, take a few minutes to just give them a few problems at home, and you can help target areas where your students are struggling. Also, sometimes students really react to their parents helping them along with the process. Students see their parents kind of try and teach them, and it's an exciting way for them to also relearn or maybe learn it in a different way. Sometimes parents have really excellent resources that teachers don't teach in school, so always use yourself as a resource for your students. Mark your calendars, the January the 18th through the 21st, in-class persuasive presentations and the votes. January 24th will be our persuasive panel. January 25th, we have no school, and February 1st is the end of term 2. And the last announcement, after-school activities. It's that time. What are your scholars' interests outside of reading, writing, math, and science? After-school activity sign-up will be done electronically for this session. Please check your email for the link and sign up via Google Docs. The link will be open from January 21st, 11 a.m. to 25th at 4 p.m. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed listening, and we'll see you soon.